小龙、熊大金，还有小鸡丁。神奇的双节棍呼啦啦啦，我就喜欢爆米花。黄鼠狼不要小看我们，我可是小鸡不好惹。
我们是出名的黄鼠狼，我们有锋利的爪子和尖尖的牙。
今天我们就要去捉鸡了，
小鸡们，你们可要小心了！
我们是小鸡不好惹，喜欢自由的生活。谁要是欺负我们的朋友，
谁？
看谁敢！
我们就告诉他，我们是小鸡不好惹。
哇哦，小鸡们好厉害呀！快，演出开始啦！快点！
What terrible thunder! What happens if we have a blackout in this horrible weather?
Oh, don't worry, guys. It's only a little bit of thunder and lightning. When I was your age, I used to practice my kung fu in the pouring rain, with the wind howling and the thunder crashing. It's true.
What? That's totally awesome, Master! Huh?
Yeah.
What? You don't believe me?
You know, seeing is believing.
Yeah, man, I'm totally stoked! Let's see you in action!
Fine. If I finish 3 laps out there, I get both of your dinners.
And what if you fail to take even a single step?
Well, if I fail to finish my 3 laps, my dinner will be forfeited to y'all.
Bodacious, man!
Huh.
Oh, supremely rad, Master! Go!
Of course. This yard is so tiny, I'll finish in no time. Well, I give up. So, about that bed of ours, can we talk about that?
No way!
Huh?
Hey, Slim! Hey, Slim! Why don't we just go back inside? It's raining too hard out here. Slim?
Scaredy cat! My plans are always being interrupted by your nonsense. You're a moron, and our failures are always your fault, and I'm sick of it! Holy smokes, what terrible weather!
Well, it doesn't look like the rain's gonna stop anytime soon. Why don't we just take a break tonight?
No, we're going! My instincts tell me today's the perfect day to catch chickens. If only it wasn't for this ghastly weather, why does this always happen to me? Ugh.
The fuse is burned down.
Drat and double drat.
Well, it looks like we got nothing better to do than sleep.
Don't even think about sleep. I just came up with a perfect plan.
Thank you for your dinner, Uncle Wattles.
Huh.
I can give you some, but only if you finish your laps, Uncle Wattles.
I can't take it anymore.
Huh? A burnt fuse, maybe?
I'm afraid so.
Since there's no power, I'm afraid there's nothing we can do except have a good sleep. Rearrange, we'll practice tomorrow. So rest up good.
Radical, man!
Small fry, what's that?
Uncle Wattles, you know that I won this corn fair and square.
Oh, of course. I was just wondering how that new video game of yours is going.
Oh, I almost forgot. Take care of my corn, please.
Oh, wow, that was too easy. Well, I guess kids will be kids. How tasty. Now it's time for my nap.
Ooh, pew, pew, pew.
It's just like my genius mind suspected. They've also lost all their power.
Without power, they can't see no one coming in the darkness.
Well, well, well. After being around me for so long, my smarts must have finally been rubbing off on you. But they're like little lambs, waiting for us to shear them in their sleep. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Then move those buns.
Pew pew! Pew pew!
We'll get all them chickens tonight.
Pew pew!
We need to get small fry before we get free range. If they join hands, we don't stand a chance. We'll do away with small fry, and then we'll look for an opportunity to catch free range.
Huh?
I'm gonna get ya! Yeah! Yeah!
Small fry, you're trapped. You better surrender now.
I've asked you before to not interrupt my game.
And what if we do?
Oh yeah, let me show you what we do to chickens with no manners. Hey Slim, that room is booby-trapped. I think we should just go home with Wattles. He's big enough for the two of us.
Don't panic, don't panic. We'll just take a hostage to provoke her.
Huh? You're an evil genius, Slim.
Absolutely. Hey, small fry, I got your Uncle Wattles as a hostage. If I twist his hair a little bit, he's gonna have a headache.
Oh, are you using me as a hostage again?
Well, very clever of you to figure it out again.
No way! I'll never give in!
Oh.
Huh?
Well, that don't matter, because soon we'll have chopped you up into Kung Pao chicken.
Oh, small fry, please come out, please surrender, I'm scared! Oh.
Ugh, you're such a coward.
Well, thank you.
Free range! Wake up!
Get in there. We got her.
Well done. Now let's go back and prepare for our all-chicken banquet.
What about free range?
We'd better just savor the victory and enjoy what we have. Huh? Without free range, we can deal with these other chickens easy as pie.
Yeah, after all these years of hard work, we finally come up not empty anymore. I think Uncle Wattles will be perfect as a soup.
What? Are you crazy? What a complete waste. Uncle Wattles should be roasted, of course, you tasteless pickle pot.
Oh, hell, I don't want to be a roasted chicken!
You better behave yourself, or else.
Free range, help!
Keep quiet, you. If you even think about crying for help again, you're toast.
Come and save me, free range!
Thanks to the thunder, free range ain't gonna be able to hear any of this. Get in there. Lutton, come on.
Okay, let's go home to make dinner.
Hold it right there.
Huh?
It's free range.
You perfidious pests! How dare you kidnap my peeps while I'm in Slumbertown, man!
What are we gonna do now, Slim? Free range is away.
Unhand them, polecats!
Come on, Slim, do something.
Lutton!
Huh?
What are you waiting for? Let's get out of here!
Cowards! Come back here, man! Ugh! Hold it! Did you really think you could stop me, man?
Free range.
Ah! You really thought you could get away with this right under my nose?
Rain!
Let him go at once, man!
We'll never give up after all we've been through.
All right, then I'll come and get him myself!
No!
He's coming!
Hold up! This is your last chance, man! Let him go!
No, Slim, he's coming!
Darn it! Why can't you just leave us alone? All right, we'll settle this once and for all.
Okay, fine, but you're asking for it, man, just so you know.
But even if there's 4 of us, we still can't take him all.
I knew this day would come. My secret weapon.
Man, you don't scare me, all right?
Why don't you check it out?
Whoa! Cockroach, man!
Yeah! Time to settle this old score. Goodbye, free range! Why does this always happen to me?
快快站起望远镜，看着可别眨眼睛，热气就轰隆隆加马力，这是最冒险的 party。爱冒险的伙伴们来 happy， 我会手猛地抓住一道霹雳。 不管是在夏威夷或南极，我在哪里就有冒险 party， 深呼吸，躲开陷阱，一起踩着雨都在火山滑冰。
悄悄地靠近你，别想跑，我一定要抓到你。
挺起手，别再犹豫，在大草原上驾驶着轰炸机。
这是哪里？正待在鲸鱼肚